Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to do a quick haul and show you what I got from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. It's not going to be that long, but I did want to show you what I got, and I'm going to start with Walmart, okay? I was so excited to find this Sidewinder. This winds your bobbins for you. I don't know if it works. We're going to test it out, okay? We'll test it out, and I'll let you know. But this was $27.47. They are very expensive. I got it on clearance for $17. I almost picked up two of them just in case to have one as extra. I'm weird like that, but I didn't. I controlled myself. I picked up a blow dryer. I actually have this blow dryer for my hair, but when I was using my heat gun that I bought at Harbor Freight, that thing gets so hot, like my paint would bubble and I was melting stuff. I'll use it maybe for different things, but I ended up getting a blow dryer. So I picked up this blow dryer at Walmart. I wish I could have found one smaller, but they don't have them that small. You could find one maybe on Amazon, but that's a good blow dryer. It has two settings. I picked up one of these. I needed it, and I don't know why I'm showing you. Who cares? I went to the baking aisle. I'm in the baking aisle all the time to look for stuff. This is a very good airtight thing here. This is not attached, but I prefer them not that way because I'll cut them off because they flop back over. But I use these for paints. When I DIY paint, I use them to put my Mod Podge in. I use them for water, glues, all kinds of stuff. I get these a lot, and I use them a lot in different sizes. So I picked up one of those, and that was in the baking section because the other ones, when you squeeze them, they had some cheaper. I don't remember what this was, but the cheaper ones, when you squeeze them, you could hear the air coming out, and that's not good if you want to, keep your stuff from drying out. And then I got some of their 90-something cent fat quarters, just in various colors. Walmart. Okay, now for Hobby Lobby. When I went to Hobby Lobby, I just need little pieces for a project, so I got their fat quarters, and they were $1.50. That's not bad at all. I got these with chickens. I think that's so cute. And then I got a sewing one, and then these florals. So I picked those up. And then I don't know why. Oh, I got this at Walmart too. White thread. I got that after I bought one at Hobby Lobby on sale. So that's what I'm saying. I forget what I have all the time, but I'll tell you in an upcoming video, if you sew, you need multiples of the white and the black. So that's not a bad thing. And then the other sewing thing I got was this. It's a needle threader. How stinking cute. That is so cute. I need this for my vintage machines. And then all of the Paper Studio papers, buttons, anything Paper Studio is on sale this week. And I picked up some cute little bee buttons. And all of their baking. I told you, I'm not even a baker, okay? Not really. And I go in there and get stuff all the time. But it's on sale. So I picked up these scrapers. I don't know why I picked up these scrapers. I look at them every time I go in there, and they're really cheap. There's only $2.99. I think they're 40 or 50% off. So I'm going to get them. And then I picked up this mold, and this one was $2.99 at whatever percent off. Which way does this go? Look, it's the alphabet, and it's in little decorative, like, banner. I thought that was really cute. I use these for clay molds. I use them as clay molds. They're silicone molds. I love it. This one was $5.99, half off. And this one is butterflies and dragonflies. My sister absolutely loves butterflies. I got that one. You can put hot glue in them as well. This one is kind of flimsy. This was $3.99. This is a chocolate candy mold, but they work just as good. These are better with hot glue because they are flimsy, but it takes a lot of glue, I'll tell you. But look how stinking cute. Let me show you this side. Farm animals, a tractor, a barn, and a little stinking truck. Those are so cute. These would be darling as chocolates, you know, to give as gifts. That would be so stinking adorable. But anyways, I picked those up. Out of all those, I have most of them. Those were new, so I picked them up. They're Valentine's, spring, Easter, all that is 40% off, I think, or 50%. And these are really cheap. $1.99 for all those styrofoam hearts. Picked up a bag of those. I know they have roses at the Dollar Tree, and I have gotten those, but these are so much better quality and prettier. So I picked up a bag of those. I got a little bag of the mini roses. That's so shiny. My lighting stinks. I'm so sorry. And then in their Valentine's crafts, these are so cute. It's confetti, but you can use those as fake cake toppers if you make fake cupcakes or something like that. They're little confection hearts, and they say love, 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 love. I thought they said something. Oh, XOXO. They do say something else. Love and XOXO. And those are cute. I'm sorry for staring at them so long. I can't see. And then I picked up some mini flowers in the spring side. They're really, really cute. They're risen flowers. And then I got a pack for $1.99, and there are 10 little bunnies in here. I could have cut them out, but again, for $1.99, I just buy them. They were not $1.99. They were 40% off. And then when I go there, I always get my Wrappins app if I'm going to Hobby Lobby. And this is what you use in the microwave, the Wrappins app. It's natural cotton, and it's $4.99 at Hobby Lobby. And if I'm, like I said, if I'm going, I'll get it there. If not, I order it from Amazon or whatever. And I picked up 2 of them. And then for $4.49, I got one of the heirloom cotton craft battings. Now, normally I will pick just this cotton up at Walmart, but every Walmart I've went to, they have been out for the longest time. So I ended up getting it at Hobby Lobby, but $4.49 is not a bad price. They have some that are higher, but I got this one. So, anyways, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this haul and overlooked my rambling, because I do that a lot. Remember, you are a blessing, and I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing and commenting. Y'all do that, and it pushes me up higher in the YouTube algorithm, and it lets more people see my videos, and that helps grow my channel, and I appreciate that more than you know. But until next time, goodbye.